I started thinking, what can I do? And actually I had laying around a Ninebot Max G2 motor, a 350 watt motor with a 750 watt peak, and I had some old cells laying around, so I made a 36 volt 15 amps battery, and I 3D printed the box here, and bought a cheap 350 watt controller with a max speed limit of 20 kilometers per hour. To install the motor, I had to do some modifications of the swing arm here, but it wasn't a plug and play, but it did help a lot. Now we have a variable throttle here, and it works really well, and it has a lot of torques, and it can you can go off-road, you can drive on grass, any steep hills. There's still no suspension on it, but originally there only were one brake at the back. Here we have the drum brake from the Ninebot motor. My son, he really wanted to keep, you know, these the fork, the original fork and the fender. So we didn't touch that, but I did manage to take off this brake system from an old children bike, and I welded it on the original fork, so he now has a 2 brake system, which makes it a lot more safe. Then I added some lights and other Timo crap, and these red linings here to make it look cooler. The battery is connected directly to the controller. Behind us behind here, you can take it apart, and when you have to charge the battery, you just use your old access point here. And if you take this apart, you can unscrew the battery,